and they bounce. People are like mosquitoes, y'all. They're gonna follow you around because you smell good, you taste good, etc. But the minute they get that blood from you that they've been wanting, and they suck out of you what they were meant to suck out of you, they bounce. You don't see that mosquito no more out there bite you, do you? No. A lot of people in your life are like that. What's going on, y'all? It's Ayootravv, and I'm back again with another video. Y'all, of course, it's seafood, but we're not gonna talk about that. Y'all know to check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let them know Ayootravv sent you. Let me go and say grace. Father God, I come to you today to ask you to watch over this food. Please let it be a nourishment in my body. Please let me digest this food properly. And then I pray, amen, amen, one more time. Amen. Y'all, I was tagged by SimplyK.Simone. Y'all go check her out. I'm pretty sure I said her name right. Y'all don't be messing up her names. Anyway, I think her challenge was, I really can't remember, but it was like 2 pounds of crawfish in 20 minutes or something like that. But I have 6 pounds of crawfish because I told her that was easy breezy. So we just gonna do this. Now I don't know if I'm gonna do it in 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure I will, but y'all not be talking. I have a guest here too, y'all. He used to be on my channel back before y'all started watching me. So y'all probably not even gonna recognize him. I'm gonna bring him on here in a minute. How are they going? I hope y'all went to church today, because these videos coming out on Sunday. I'm not filming it on Sunday, of course, so I can't tell you about my church experience today. But by the time y'all get this, church will be over with. That's a big sucker. A lot of people don't eat crawfish because they say they don't like the way it look. Or some of them be like, they'll pull the meat out and then pull stuff back and separate and clean. Anybody got time for that? Whatever I eat, when I eat these things is what I eat when I eat these things. If I get a little doo-doo, that is what it is. But a lot of people don't know how to eat crawfish. You can't eat no crawfish if you don't suck the head. That would be the best part. Josh, you going to sleep? You going to sleep?
No.
You ain't gonna come say hi to the people?
Oh, okay. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? These smell real good.
You want one?
I do want one. You know, in Houston, they have these in the summertime.
So you eat the head?
Oh yeah.
How you did that?
Break open. You don't know how to eat them?
I don't eat the head, I suck it.
Wait, I'm saying.
Come down something. Just go ahead and get that chair over there.
Which one?
Right there.
Okay. I'll be back.
Or you can grab one of them stools and just shorten them. Y'all, he not about to eat up my food though. I hope you know that. Come on, so I take another thumbnail. Yeah. This is Jossie for the people that haven't seen my other videos they was in. We did like 4 videos.
It's been a while.
We in the summertime.
That's when you eat these in the summertime.
I eat these whenever I want to.
We know in Houston they be having them brawls. And you get like...
Brawls? You mean boils?
I mean, yeah, that.
You about to be on my channel sounding uneducated.
What? What's a brawl? Oh, that's a
brawl is a fight.
What's the one you hop from bar to bar?
A bar crawl?
Oh, crawl. That's what the people be saying.
You gotta eat it better than that if you're gonna eat on my channel.
I only want one. One more. I'll take one more. Oops.
All right, let's do a good one because I'm gonna have to, you know, clip it for Instagram. So let's just twist it, suck the head, and eat the tail. Y'all, he not made for this.
These are perfectly seasoned, though.
Because I made them.
Well, you do know what you're doing.
What we're going to talk about?
I can't believe it's the end of the new year. The end of a decade.
I ain't going to talk about that till my New Year video.
I'm just saying. Alright, that's all I need. I just ate. You guys, it smells so good in here, y'all. Like, really. Really good. Oh, I'm so proud of you.
I'm proud of me, too. I don't know what you're talking about, but...
I am. I'm just proud of you. Look at you. Doing your... Y'all better be watching his videos, too. I know that's much. That's a lot of crawfish.
I'm about to kill her challenge. There ain't been no challenge to me.
They smell so good.
What are we talking about?
I don't know what's happening in the world these days. What is it? Let's see.
We can talk about what me and you talked about a few minutes ago. Do y'all have... You be eating these clothes?
Yeah.
Well, you can have them.
And the juice and everything in there.
Yo, y'all know what I don't like? I don't like... So everybody had those different kind of friends. You know where I'm going with this? You have those different kind of friends, you know? You have the ones that you're going to talk to every day. The ones you go to for advice. The ones that you go to give advice. You got the one that's going to talk you off a cliff. The one that's going to tell you jump off that cliff.
That's right.
Then you had that friend where y'all don't talk for a long time, but whenever y'all do talk, it's like y'all never stop talking. Now, that's fine and dandy. And I get that. But I don't like when a friend that you think is that one that's gonna always be around just disappear on you for no reason at all. And then you be like, oh, maybe they're going through XYZ, but it's confusing because you'll see them out with other people. So now, at this point, you picking and choosing.
Social media can kill folks.
Who you want to talk to? That'd be my problem.
Be careful what you put on social media now.
And it's all about
I didn't get your text message, but you on social media.
I hate when I hit somebody up and then they don't respond, and then we talk about it at some point and they be like, oh, I didn't get your text. Well, who got it? Who got it? Because they say Jesus on the main line, but I know I ain't sending it to his line.
But they post everything on social media.
That be the problem, y'all. Social media is a killer. Hold on, let me eat this real quick.
Social media could kill folks.
I'll demolish this challenge. I just want y'all to know that. Y'all be letting social media get y'all caught up. Y'all be talking about, oh, I'm asleep, but you posting on social media. Oh, I'm at XYZ, I'm at work, but you out at the bar and you posting on social media. Don't play me, y'all. If you don't want to talk to me, excuse me, say that or something. Don't lie to me. I'm a big boy. I'd rather you tell me the truth and be like, hey, I ain't feel like being bothered. Or, hey, I ain't feel like talking.
Or I hate when people do this. Oh, that was from last night. I wasn't at the bar. I'm not at the bar. That was, a throwback.
No, I had one. There's one dude. He talking about, he clearly ignored my text. And then he posts on social media like a few videos and stuff. He go, oh, I posted those. I forgot when he said he posted them. I think he said the night before or a few hours ago. Something, I don't know. But he was like, my service was bad, so they just now uploading.
Don't lie about it. Don't lie about it.
Do I look like Boo Boo the Fool?
That's the problem. People think some of us are Boo Boo the Fool.
That's your problem. You can't play a player. You can't.
That's true. That's true. Social media get these people caught up.
They do.
They really do. And I sure hate it for them. I was just about to text you back. No, you wasn't.
No, you wasn't.
Because I had not hit you up. I wouldn't have heard from you.
And then the one that killed me, or they be like, oh, I was just thinking about you. No, you weren't.
You wasn't.
If you thought about me, you would text me. But I hate when these are good.
They really are.
I hate when you be looking good or you doing good and you post on social media. And then that person that you ain't talked to or that they curved you, they be like, oh, hey, big head, or I miss you, I always knew you was going to be great, or oh, you looking cute.
Where was you at before?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Everybody want to hop on your train when you're successful, but don't want to be with you in the trenches. They want to be there for the glow up, but they don't want to be there for the process and the hard work and the tears, blood, shed, and all of that.
They weren't there when you was shooting in the gym.
Right.
But now they see a success story or what they think is going to be a success story.
I knew
now
him.
everybody,
I know him. I was there.
I always knew you were going to be a great boy. Goodbye. Bye.
I tweeted that the other day. I said, in 2020, I'm only rolling with people, family, and friends that support you. If you don't want to support me, that's all right. We could be friends on the side, well, different. But don't say you sit here to support me. But when I'm in the trench, you're not there for me.
When times get tough and rough, that's when you find out who your real supporters are, your real friends, because they're going to stick around. Some people, when it get tough, they running for the mud hills. Those are people you don't need in your life.
That's them branches and them leaves on the tree.
Period.
My grandma always told me that. She said, you got to be careful. The root, is always going to be there. The leaves, they're going to blow away with the season. But the branches is what you got to be careful for. They think you're going to be there, but as soon as they snap,
Yep.
nowhere to be found. I don't want no branches in my life. I want a root. And you only need a tree only need about, what, 2 or 3 of them?
Listen. Oh, that one was juicy. That be our problem though. We confuse branches with that was a whole lot of leg, but I'm still gonna eat it. We confuse branches with roots, and
they will confuse you though. They could confuse you.
They will.
They could confuse you.
And we'll think that these people are there for a lifetime when really they're only there for a reason in the season.
For a season.
Now.
Or they get what they want from you, or you can't produce what they want anymore because they throw you to the curb.
And they bounce. People are like mosquitoes, y'all. They're gonna follow you around because you smell good, you taste good, etc. But the minute they get that blood from you that they've been wanting, and they suck out of you what they were meant to suck out of you, they bounce. You don't see that mosquito no more out there bite you, do you? No. A lot of people in your life are like that. And we be giving these we just give so much love to these people that don't mean you know what to us.
That's a good
But we don't know that.
A mosquito.
Yeah.
I ain't never think about that before.
That's what they're there for. They're going to stick around you because you look good and everything around you good. They know they about to get a good bite. And when they bite you, they out.
I might have to tweet that.
They out.
People are like mosquitoes.
You ain't going to tweet that for the video come out.
I know, that's why I got to write it down. And when you post a video, I could quote you. That's a good one. Now, I can't stand a mosquito either.
Me either.
I think I'm allergic to them too, low key. But anyway.
I'll be like, come on, bite me. Come on.
Or the people that say, oh, that's my friend. No, we social media friends.
Period.
There's a
you
difference.
Don't know me.
You know me on social media. There's a difference. People confuse their social media friends with their real friend.
Like, oh, I've been knowing you for 30 years. No, you knew of me for 30 years. Let's be clear. I mean, I'm not saying you can't be friends on social media and not meet, just because y'all don't meet in real life. That's not true. I know a lot of people that I know from social media that I'm connected with, but we just haven't been able to meet in real life. But we talk, quite often deeper than just liking a picture or saying, oh, this is so cute, nothing like that, or a shout out. I don't even like shout outs.
And just because you like my picture don't mean we friends either.
Period.
Half the time I don't know you.
And half the time you only like my pictures because you want me to notice it so I can slide in your DMs.
DMs.
Nope. Nope.
Or people that like pictures from 991 weeks ago. That was a 14.
I know you're just trying to get my attention at this point.
I mean, if that's the case, you're going to like the picture, just hit me up.
Just DM me.
What's up?
Well, don't do it right now because somebody y'all DM, they might knock y'all out. But, it's the truth.
Well,
let me start this. No, this is not my boyfriend. Because I know that's the first thing y'all going to be saying. Let me put that at the beginning of the video. This is not my boyfriend. They be asking me like every day, who you with, who did him, who's your boyfriend, da-da-da-da.
It's not me.
They literally ask me that, like my DMs on Instagram, my comments, like they'll never let that. I'll be like, oh my God. But, what were we saying? Oh, about the DMs.
Oh, DMs, yeah.
Yeah. And
this juice is so good. I'm coming for you.
Like now, DM, when you like a whole bunch of pictures, that just remind me of when we was younger. If you have a crush on somebody, you'll like be hitting them or something like that. Like, well, just say you like me.
Right. Just say it. Just say what's up. How you doing? I like your smile. Something like that. I mean, at least just hit me up and say that. Don't like my picture from 2,000 weeks ago.
And when people be doing that, I'm sure they be so mad because I be getting so many likes and comments, I don't even be knowing who be liking or commenting.
At that point.
So, If you don't say nothing, that's on you.
Closed mouths don't get fed.
And I be trying to go through my DMs.
I'm sure you get a lot. But he's smart though. He don't answer everybody. I'm sure he don't. But that's real though. That's real though. Like them celebrities, they don't. If they respond to everybody DM, they catch a case.
But some of them DMs are crazy, and like some of them be like, you know, really heartfelt, and people want me to do a challenge, or they want me to talk about this, or they want advice, stuff like that. But then it be some crazy ones. I got one last night. I can't really say verbatim what it said because this is a family channel. Well, family friendly. Like, I don't really curse it though. But they gonna DM me and say, I really don't want to say it. But basically they said they Siri, shut up.
Yes.
Get your phone.
No.
What about mine? But in the DM, they didn't say hi. They didn't say how are you. Nothing. The message literally said, "I bet you can do something real good with your mouth." I'm not gonna say what they said, but yes, that's all it said.
That's disrespectful.
Very.
That is disrespectful. I don't
And
care.
when people say stuff like that, it make you not want to go through your DMs. So then I'm missing out on the people who is this still recording? So I'm missing out on the people who's asking for advice or giving me advice or asking me to do challenges or, you know, showing love because I got ignorant people like that saying crazy stuff.
That's disrespectful.
It's beyond disrespectful.
I'm sorry.
That's disrespectful if you know me.
And
then for you not to know me, you said that's even worse.
That's disrespectful.
I don't like that. Look.
Especially if you don't know somebody.
But the minute I say something back on that caliber, now I'm wrong.
Right. People quick to screenshot.
Like, y'all be poking a bear. And then when the bear poke back, y'all won't get mad.
You won't cry wolf.
But what if I would respond back and say, your mama? Or your mama do something good with her mouth. That's why you ain't got no siblings. Something like that. Then I would have been wrong. Yeah, y'all, we about done.
Y'all, these were seasoned perfectly.
If I knew he was going to be here like while I was filming, I would have got some more and we could have just had a big old feet.
I didn't know I was going to be here this early.
Well, I was supposed to film this yesterday, actually. That's the bad part.
JK.
Anyway. I ain't even had no water. Whatever. It was good. Y'all know, check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let them know Ayootravv sent you. If you haven't already, jump out of the description box. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, turn it gray. And if it is already gray, make sure you hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified each and every time I drop a video. But if you want to stay connected with me and send me some nice DMs, and not no crazy ones, go back to the description box, scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that. You already know. Add me, follow me, send me a DM, leave me a comment on Instagram, leave me a comment on here, do whatever. Let me know what's like, what's don't like, what's want to see, what's don't see, what's mom said, what's don't say, what's mom need, what's don't need, all that good jazz. Let me know something. Other than that, it's been real. We about to go engage in adult activities. Peace.
Bye.